I'm Richard Nolan here from Rivanna, Castlewarren, Co.Kilkenny. We were recently new entrants into dairy, and we were suckler beef up to now, and we made a decision to go dairying, and I got speaking to the sales rep there from Pearson's back in 2019. So after talking to a couple of Teagasc people and that, we looked into the dairying, and Tom Ryan designed the project for us. After a lot of debate, we came up with this design. We put up a 4-span shed and decided to put in 16 units into it, and it will fit another 4 units down the road if we need to be. We also put in a handling facility in the shed as well, with a crush and a room there for drafting cows down the road if we need to go down that way as well. Got in the local guys there to do concreting. Tom Nolan and Gary Armitage erected the shed, and my own brother there done all the groundwork. So then we were in contact with Pearson's, helping me along to decide on the spec in the parlour. So we left room to add on to the parlour down the road with meters. We put in a 2x2 parlour with headlocking, and very happy with the headlocking system. It gives us great control over the cows. We started out milking 80 heifers, and after maybe running getting 2 or 3 rows trained, the rest of the cows, there's no bother training them to the headlocking. Very happy with Pearson's. They came along with a parlour, dropped it in the yard. Maybe 2 or 3 days later, the machine was up and running just in time for our first cow calving. So we put in the auto wash, and we also put in dump line. We hope to add in meters down the road. The parlour is left in a situation that we can do that. We also put in a stainless steel vacuum line, which is super job and finishes off the parlour lovely. Very little plastic in the parlour. We're milking 80 cows, probably with a focus of somewhere ending up between 100 and 120 cows. That's where we hope to end. So the 16 unit parlour is ample for that. We're delighted that we were able to purchase the machine off of Pearson's, as they are local, and local means you're supporting Irish jobs.